कर्नाटक हुकूमत मुस्लिम कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के लिए 4% रिजर्वेशन दोबारा मुतारफ़ कराने जा रही है। इसके लिए कर्नाटक ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन पब्लिक प्रोक्योरमेंट एक्ट 1999 में तरमीम की जाएगी, जिसे बजट इजलास में पेश किया जाएगा। वज़ीर ख़जाना H.K. पाटिल ने इस मंसूबे की मंजूरी दे दी है और काबीना इजलास में इस पर तबादला ख्याल मुतवक्को है। फ़िलहाल 43% सरकारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स SC, ST और OBCs के लिए मुख्तस हैं। अगर ये नया कैटेगरी 2B कोटा नाफिज हुआ तो मजमूई रिजर्वेशन 47% हो जाएगा और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की हद 2 करोड़ रुपए तक बढ़ जाएगी। इस इक़दाम को वज़ीर आला सिद्धरामैया की वोट बैंक मजबूत करने की कोशिश करार दिया जा रहा है, जैसा कि उन्होंने 2013 और 18 में SC, ST कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के लिए रिजर्वेशन मुतारफ़ करवाया था। इस तजवीज़ पर BJP ने सख्त एतराज़ किया है और रियासती सदर BY विजेंद्रा ने इसे गैर आइनी और खुशामदाना सियासत करार दिया है। उन्होंने कहा कि मुसलमानों को पहले ही तालीम और नौकरियों में रिजर्वेशन हासिल है, तो सिर्फ एक अक़लियती गिरोह को क्यों तरजीह दी जा रही है।
We were told the state government headed by Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, they are going to take up a decision of giving 4% reservation in government contracts in Karnataka. And they are going to take up this issue in today's cabinet. If it is true, Bharatiya Janata Party, we are going to oppose this move of state government, which is nothing but appeasement politics. There are already reservation in government contract for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe is already in place. But where is the development work in Karnataka? From last 20 months, there is no development activity in Karnataka, and only to appease minorities. And for Siddaramaiah and for the Congress government, minority means only Muslims. There are no other minorities in Karnataka or in the country. It's sure appeasement politics. Bharatiya Janata Party are going to oppose this on the floor of the House very strongly. We are going to condemn this.
गौड़ा पाटिल यत्नाल ने भी कांग्रेस को अक़लियत नवाजी पर तनकीद का निशाना बनाया। दूसरी जानिब MLA रिजवान अरशद ने इस फैसले का दिफा करते हुए कहा कि अगर दलित और पसमानदा तबक़ात के लिए रिजर्वेशन खुशामद नहीं था तो अक़लियतों के लिए भी नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ मुसलमानों तक महदूद नहीं है।
कर्नाटका इज़ द ओनली स्टेट एंड ओनली गवर्नमेंट which believes in the inclusive growth and opportunities for all sections of society, and particularly weaker sections of society. And we were the first state to give reservation in contracts to the SC, ST communities up to 1 crore. This is not for contracts, for huge contracts like 100 crore, 200 crore, 500 crore. This is small contractors should get, it was up to 50 lakhs, then it was enhanced up to 1 crore. Then we introduced this reservation for the backward classes, people who will do contracts up to 1 crore. And there is always also a demand and pressure from all the minorities, whether it is Christian, Muslim, Jain, Buddhist, Sikhs, all together, that likewise, like you have given it to SC/ST communities, small contractors, backward class communities, we are also a socially disempowered group. We should also be considered. So we have also given representation that small contracts, there should be some kind of a reservation for the minorities also. So the government might be considering our request, and we'll be happy if the government brings this.
BJP says that it's a Muslim appeasement. Muslims are no more minorities in Karnataka. They have become a huge vote bank for Congress. And time and again,
so when we gave it to Dalit communities, was it appeasement? When we give it to backward classes, was it appeasement? Likewise, giving it to minorities is also not appeasement. And minorities is not necessarily only Muslim. That is one. Two, if you see the contracting business as a whole, and if you go and see, do you see many Dalit faces being contractors? Do you see people from backward classes being contractors? Do you see people from minorities being contractors? If they are also, they are in a small number, 0.1%. Contracting is a business largely monopolized by the upper caste communities and major communities. So it is very necessary for the inclusive growth that every small community, disempowered community, marginalized communities should be given. That is why the Congress party government gave it to the Dalit minor contractors, backward classes minor contractors, and minority minor contractors are requesting, we are also requesting, and the government should consider the proposal seriously.